He moved a little bit. That's
I'm gonna get my glasses on, so if...
It was when you were yanking it a bunch. That's when you were pulling it, he started to flop around.
I don't want to break this rod, though. I mean, you guys saw that. That was a fish. Here, grab onto the line and just it's right there.
Yeah.
Just pull. Sorry.
Here you go. Got it.
Just pull.
Pull?
Yeah.
Hard as I can, or what?
Yeah, just pull.
Cutting me.
Oh, you don't have to then. If you don't want to, you don't have to.
No, that's good. I got it.
There are leeches on me anywhere?
No.
Alright, stop for a second.
Wait.
Just give him some slack for a minute. He might be stuck in there himself. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna walk in with the rod.
Okay. Yeah, you might have to.
Oh, there's a fish right here.
A big one or a little one?
It's a little bluegill. I'm not sure.
Try bringing it around, try taking the rod and moving it in circles.
I mean, I want to step through this grass and stuff, but
You don't want to step on his spine or something.
Either one of you have long socks on? No.
I kind of do. This one maybe. Oops. Yeah.
Yeah, because I was going to say, I can get my shoes on, and I'll just walk through this grass. Gosh. Oh.
Right over there. Is that where he is, or is that where we're tangled?
Get that other rod and cast and see if you snag into line. Because if you do...
Oh, yeah. Oh, I just put the rod back. This is definitely a rock or something that I'm stuck in.
I mean, we saw him come up like that. I want to see if I'm even gaining line on him. Can I see the jump?
Would your rod sit down a little bit? Okay, you're good. Back up a little bit.
Back up a little. Back up.
Lincoln, this is a 4-pounder. Lincoln, this is a 4-pounder. No, rod up. Rod up now. Keep the center a little bit.
Cast straight out that way.
Oh, I don't know how to use it.
Oh, no, not the bait caster. Not the bait caster.
Are we or no?
No, let him sit for a minute.
That wasn't a big jump, but.
Alright, let's just leave it for a minute. It's moving, Look, this is... Just let him swim for a minute.
Alright, where do I cast? Yeah, you could give him just as much line as he needs. Right out here, straight? I'll do that. No.
Yeah, just cast straight.
Straight. Right over here.
Yeah, you need to go farther than that. I'm trying to catch him off guard. I might take my shoes off and or put my shoes on with no socks and just walk through this grass.
Yeah, you could, and then just grab it, untangle it by yourself.
I'll try that.
Let it sink a little bit too. Yeah, I know, I'm trying to get it the right...
It's moving. Here, can you hold it? It's a really smart idea.
That's good.
Yeah, that's perfect. Now let it sink for a minute and start reeling it in a little bit, yeah.
This is definitely stuck on something.
I mean, I'm fine if I lose it. But if there's still a fish on there, I want him to get the fish. This was either a really good idea. Yeah, you're good to reel in now, Lincoln. Should I even be doing this?
I'm right here. I can dive in.
All right.
It'll be fine.
No, we're good. I just want to feel what the grass is like. Oh, whoa. No, it's not like stepping on something. It's just, I mean, look. It's stepping, yeah, it's like stepping on a pillow. I don't want to do that.
Oh, I felt something. I feel something.
That's me pulling. I mean, what's the worst that could be in here?
Nothing.
That's what I'm trying to convince myself of. Because if I step, like, I mean, sure, crawfish might hurt.
There's nothing in here that. You have your shoes on?
Yeah.
So.
Can you hand me the rod? Hand me it from the tip.
You can get the rod tip to go directly above it, and then spin in circles. Like
Well, I don't think
it's wrapped around.
I don't think it's wrapped around something like that. It'd already come off because if the fish would just go around it like that. Should I just do it? I'm just scared about how deep it's gonna get. And the grass is, oh, what is that? Something just crawled in my shoe. Oh my gosh. Something's in my shoe.
What do you think would be in there?
Crawfish. Monster crawfish, yeah. And a leech or something.
We can get leeches.
Anybody else want to do it?
Hey, tall guy right here. Oh, there he is.
Was that a big fish or not?
I think so. I mean, if you all can't reach it that far.
Yeah, it's gonna feel weird though. No, you wouldn't fit in my shoes. I was gonna say. Here, come right here, and then there's a stick right here too. But step in.
Look at a stick. Look for a big stick.
Step on the grass and see how you feel about stepping in the grass like that. Yeah, it is. Step in the grass.
Oh my
There's
goodness.
grass right here.
Oh.
Just step on it. Yeah. There you go.
What is it? Oh.
Yeah.
It's just mud.
Yeah.
Yeet. I just don't know how
We don't have to be doing this if you guys don't want.
I want the fish. Yeah. I want it more than Lincoln does, apparently. No, I want it. Just you can go get that. Oh my god. This is gonna stick.
Be careful, because it might just be a hook. Here, grab the rod.
It's grass. This is grass.
Yeah, actually, no, grab the grass right at the bottom of it and try to pull the grass up. Hydrilla. There you go.
Oh yeah. Still recording. Nice.
Don't have that much battery life left.
What is this? Wait.
So,
it's gotta be close. Oh, I'm touching something.
really?
Oh, he's right here.
No, he isn't.
Yes, he's right here.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Lincoln.
He's out.
Look at that.
Got him.
Okay, Lincoln.
Holy cow.
Lincoln, that's not a... We did it, Lincoln. We did it. You just caught a 5-pounder, Lincoln.
Oh my gosh. I'd say more like you caught it, but whatever. Well, I mean, I'd say I was the reason that we got it out, but... That's the...
We did it.
I'll get my phone. I'll take a picture. Huge.
Can you let some line out in the reel?
Yeah. So he went to so he swam into the grass.
Lincoln, that's a 5-pounder, dude.
Go. Is that good?
Yeah, that's good.
Alright, we're taking turns holding this bad boy.
It's a 5-pounder, I'm telling you.
Oh my gosh.
And... oh, this is going to be hard to get out. You hooked that thing like a madman. You want to come and hold him real quick?
Yeah. Do I lip him or?
Yeah, so he's going to be kind of sharp. just because he eats bait fish a lot. It's like all he's probably going to be eating, or crawfish. You see how he's got like red lips, kind of?
Yeah.
Gosh, man.
I touched it. I was like, hold on. Am I touching like a crawfish or something? You're just going to have to yank it.
Lincoln.
All right, hold it up. Hold it up.
Lincoln, you got a PB like... Okay, come here. Come here.
Yeah,
so I'm going to put him on the ground like this. He's going to try and flop. You see how his jaw's locked out like that?
Yeah.
Do that. So keep his... Go ahead and grab him. He's going to be sharp up here, so you want to grab like right...
Wait,
you see, that's his tongue.
So do I lay like my thumb
You want
bend on
this part of your thumb, this fleshy part, to be on that, then you just pinch hard. Go ahead.
So like that. Pinch,
Yep.
Pinch.
Whatever's comfortable.
Oh, he's sharp. Yeah.
Yep.
Right,
Lincoln,
you
hold
can
it.
hold him up by the bottom as well. Oh. Lincoln, look. Right here.
That's a 4...
Oh, he's squishy. Smile. He smells. You got quite the face there. All right.
All right, wait. So where's the rod? Oh, watch out. There's a hook somewhere, Isaac.
Oh.
All right, we're good. Okay.
Hello.
Can I see him real quick?
Yeah. There you go. Ew,
So I'm going to measure him on this. This is what I measured. Oh, my gosh.
is he bigger? Is this bigger?
This is... So...
5 pounder, do you think?
It's a 5-pounder. That's a... Okay, we're measuring, so it's... The tail is right on the edge of that rod. And right to the bottom of the H. Right to the side of the H, okay? Do you want to give him some water?
Oh,
or...
if I had service, I could measure him.
Right here.
I want to hold him, though, yeah. Somebody else can get a picture. I can't grab your phone. My hands are really gross. We all contributed to this. Oh my god.
Hold him up and down so you can see.
He's giant.
Yeah, here. No, you hold him like that. You never held him like that.
Hold on, let me,
Congratulations,
can you lay him down on the
man.
floor, like you
Congratulations. This is going to be like the best video.
I got it. Just grab it.
Just grab it. It's
I know,
okay.
I'm trying to put the soft part there, but...
Here. How about... Here, can I give him some water real quick? Because we've already gotten pictures. Here's your phone, Isaac. So this might be the goodbye. This might be goodbye, okay?
Alright.
Are you okay with that?
Yeah, it's fine. We got videos.
I'm going to hold him this way.
I think he's tired out.
He's...
Hopefully your camera's not dead.
Oh.
Is it good? Lincoln hooked and reeled. I reeled and hooked. Solved the problem. I went on up there and just grabbed him.
Oh, there is a hook over there, remember. Okay, no, it's okay. So go ahead and hold this. Here, I'll put him on the ground. You ready? Because he's kind of regenerated or whatever. Okay, go ahead. We'll measure this when we get back to my house.
Where did I grab him before?
Just grab him right there, right under his tongue.
Right under his tongue, right
So
here?
you want to go like that, yep.
Okay. Yeah,
Just hold him up.
Oh, he's heavy. Oh, he's so heavy. I'm turning on the flash because it's dark out. He's heavy. I'm gonna have to.
All right, and you're releasing him, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, come over here. Come over here. I'm gonna. Okay, go ahead and put him right here, and kind of move him back and forth calmly. Watch, you're in the water. Just put him down. Yeah, put him down, and grab his tail. Grab his tail right here with this hand. Grab it with that hand.
Yeah. All right.
And then let go his mouth.
Let go of his mouth?
Let go of his mouth, yep, and then just kind of move him back and forth. No, up and down more.
Up and down, so like this?
No, this way.
Like, oh, like that.
Yeah, not too fast though, not too fast. All right, and he's ready. Let him go. Oh my gosh, guys.
Lock that.
We only had an hour to fish. We spent...
We gotta run though, because
yeah, we really gotta go. All right. Good job, guys.
We all contributed to that. That was crazy.
Thanks for watching this video. Lincoln's PB by far.
Oh yeah.
Bye-bye.
Hopefully.